How to fix CIBC app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network. And then give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, hit back. Then you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Now heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your app store. Now at the top, you're going to see the storage box. There type in the app name, CIBC, and then storage for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you will need to clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app CIBC. After you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your app store, search for the app CIBC. Once app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix CIBC app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.